Hello, kids! Today, we are drawing cool and yummy ice creams and popsicles. Let's draw together. First, we draw a twisty and swirly cream. Round and round it goes. Great job! Now, let's draw the second ice cream. It's a cone ice cream with a scoop on top. Let's add the crisscross lines on the cone. Did you know? Ice cream cones help us hold ice cream without getting messy. Smart idea! So cute drawing. Our drawing looks so beautiful. Now, we are drawing the third ice cream. It's a popsicle on a stick. So refreshing ice cream. Oh, look at the third ice cream. Someone took a big bite. Chomp, chomp. Now, we are drawing the last one. This popsicle looks like a triangle with lots of tiny dots. Can you guess the flavor? It looks like watermelon ice cream, juicy and sweet. Hey kids! Which ice cream is your favorite? Wow, you did an awesome job drawing all these yummy ice creams. Keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep having fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's coloring. Wow, wow, wow! Fantastic! Our drawing looks so beautiful. You are an awesome artist. Super star. Well done. Give yourself a big, big hug.
Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawings. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.